Hey guys, welcome back to another video. AMD just announced something seriously insane. The Ryzen 9 9950 X3D has been officially announced. Yes, at the first glance this looks like the most powerful X3D 2 CPU ever made, but there is a twist. Let's find out. Before getting into this video, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and support our channel. So what makes this chip so special? For the first time, AMD is using dual 3D V-cache design, which means both chiplets get stacked cache and not just one like before. And the specs are really wild. You are looking at 16 core 32 thread boost clock around 5.6 GHz and a massive 208 MB of total cache. That's really insane. That's easily one of the highest cache amount we have ever seen on any desktop CPU. Now here is where things get really interesting, because this design removes one of the biggest compromises in old X3D chips. Before, only one side had an extra cache, so performance could vary depending on the workload. But now the cache is on both the sides. Everything should be more balanced, more consistent, and potentially much more powerful. But this is where the story flips. AMD isn't really pushing this as a pure gaming upgrade. In fact, they are talking more about the improvements in creative workloads like Blender, Unreal Engine, with around 5 to 10% uplift. So the big question is, who is this actually for? Because if you are just gaming, current X3D chips are already insanely good, but if you want the strong gaming and heavy multi-core performance, this might be the first CPU that truly does both without compromise. It's launching on April 22nd, so real benchmarks are coming very soon. But honestly, this might be the AMD's the most powerful CPU yet, and also one of the most niche ones. Would you actually upgrade to the CPU, or would you stick on to your existing one? Do let me know in the comment section below. So if you like this video, please give it a like and share this video. That helps our channel grow. So see you back in the next video. Bye guys.